Hey guys, so this is my sidekick. Basically today we are fabricating a wheel bearing puller. So we have this Tacoma axle laying around, belongs to my younger brother. And what we're doing today is we're cutting that and we're going to adapt that as a tool so that we can pull wheel bearings with it. If you're interested in this episode, let's go have some fun. Okay guys, so we finished cutting our axle housing. And so this is how the axle housing looks like. I've deburred all the perches like that. That's where the spring perch sits. So I've deburred it here and made it look really nice, clean metal. So what we're going to do here is we are gonna cut these angle irons, okay, or C channels, okay, C channels. And what we're going to do is I've drawn in outline here. We're going to cut it like that, where it's going to be welded onto the tube like this, okay. And this is going to go across our press, so that when we apply pressure onto this unit here, this thing will hold it. And I'll show you how this looks like. So the press this is my 20-ton press. It's going to sit like this. You get it? Yeah. So that's how it's going to sit. So fun time. So I just found out that my little ABS sensor here does not fit this tube. So I'm gonna have to make another thingamajig that will fit under here, a little plate, and hopefully it'll pull this thing straight out, okay, instead of cutting the sensor like this and destroying it. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. bad boy looks. Okay. Hopefully these welds are strong enough. I got it set very high at 20 volt, and the wire speed is like 230. Okay. So looks nice. Can't wait to use this on the wheel bearing. All right, so I have this one. See if I could give it away to somebody that could use it. Okay, so I got this thing built. Now I'm gonna make a adapter plate where I can remove this ABS sensor from the axle. So I have this scrap piece of metal here. It's a 1/4 inch thick. It used to be a winch plate. It's already got a hole here pre-drilled here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to guesstimate the distance here. Well, I'm going to measure the distance here. I'm going to make a plate that goes around here. Okay, and I'm going to cut it. Okay guys, so I'm done. Basically, I made this plate so that this plate could slip under this thing and then pull it out. So that's that. This thing right here, this plate, basically, it's screwed on to the thing here. Okay, so it's screwed on here, and so that it will remove the ABS collar here. I don't know if it's a, I forget the name. I think it's either a collar or an ABS sensor wheel. So that way I don't have to cut like this again. Okay, so that's that, guys. Well, let me know what your thoughts are. Yeah.